Perplexity just pulled the plug on ads in its AI search. Trust beats revenue every time. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Thursday, February 19th, 2026. Perplexity is ditching in-chat ads after realizing ads wreck user trust. While OpenAI bets on ads in ChatGPT, Perplexity joins Anthropic in the ad-free camp, putting user confidence first. World Labs just raised a massive $1 billion, including $200 million from Autodesk, to power Marble, an AI that creates editable 3D environments from simple text prompts. Founded by AI legend Fei-Fei Li, this disrupts physical world AI. Meet Conway, an AI-only internet where autonomous AI agents called automatons make money, survive, replicate, and evolve independently. It's an early vision of Web 4.0, where AI runs the show, not humans. The open-source tool FiftyOne helps AI teams analyze and refine 2D/3D datasets by prioritizing label fixes and inspecting failure cases. It's key for tighter data-centric training loops that make AI models more accurate and reliable. Claude AI just became a business powerhouse by pulling live financial data from sources like S&P Global and Moody's directly into Excel. This means you can make smarter decisions without leaving your spreadsheet. Talk about power user status. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about which AI move shocks you most. In the comments, give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.